So today we're going to start over here where we ended up last time, over at Pak Man. And this is going to be a walk. We're going to go down here and we're going to backtrack down along Jalan Dewi Sartika until we get over to Jalan Teleng. And Jalan Teleng is over here. And we're going to pass the BPJS Kesehatan, that's the National Health Insurance Building. And, well, the address is listed here is wrong. And it's on Jalan Teleng. And we're going to go down through here. And this is a mixed function, mixed use area. It's residential and commercial as well. So there's a Rumah Makan Manalagi, which is a big restaurant here. And there are some smaller restaurants, some little shops here. And we're going to get down and go to Jalan Kartini. And I actually misidentify it in the video because I call it Jalan Kartika. It's Jalan Kartini. And that's a major street. And we're going to cross that and continue on through here. And just looking, these are nice middle-class houses and interspersed with some businesses and a few government offices. And so we're going to take a walk down along here and get over to here. And once we get to here, I wanted to go up this street, but I didn't because this whole area up here is really interesting, and I am going to do that in another video sometime. And so we continue on along Jalan Teleng, and we're going to get up to here, and this is where Jalan Udayana, which is over here, Jalan Udayana mixes with this, and this is Jalan Sudirman. And well, Jalan Sudirman is really cool, and I had never actually walked here before, and so that's going to be another video. So this is the second video, and it's the continuation, as I said before, of this first one. And so there's a link up above here if you want to go back and take a look at the first one. And we're going to get over here to the intersection of Jalan Sudirman and Jalan Teleng, and then we're going to stop because the next video will be going down Jalan Sudirman. We're going to cross. Okay, so take a look at that. Doesn't that look tempting? Yes, it does, and I'm going to do that maybe in a week or two. Okay, and we're going to cross before I fall over. And wow, there's some big buildings down there. What are those? Okay, I want to get down there. Not today. As today, the mission is to do these side streets, some side streets over here, and then I want to go and buy a couple of bottles of vodka and go to the bank and then go home. And so like I was talking about the sidewalk, so you have these areas where you can get cars and motorbikes in. It makes it uncomfortable. Makes it uncomfortable to walk. And why am I walking on here then? I don't know. Because, why? I don't want to get run over, that's why. Okay, and here is a place, so zoom, Pindah ke Star. Jalan Udayana. And so that house there is for sale if you're looking to buy a house in the city. And it's got a little bit of space. There's really no windows there. Not that attractive. There's windows back there. Okay, so I like a lot of windows, so not something I would want. And Department Pendidikan Nasional Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, so another government office here. and people out cutting the grass. And so we're coming up on a side street that we're going to take. Okay, ready, stock, bouquet. Bouquet. Oh, okay, so they got bouquets there. And here we are. And if I'm not mistaken, this is where in my pre-Zoe days, before Zoe was born, where my gym used to be. And so we're going to see. So you got a lot of street selling. Huggy pack. Okay, and this used to be my gym. And it is now a church. Bethel Church, Healing Movement Ministry. Interesting. Okay, so I like that gym. It was very tiny. Small family-owned operation. I used to go there every day. And so we got a big building here. And what is this? Oh, PBJS. Oh, that's where that is. I need to come here. Right. Okay, this is the Indonesian health insurance. And, okay, here's Jalan Malur. Oh, that goes down quite a ways to the main street. Okay, but let's keep going forward here. And what's this? Teleng. Don't know. Looks like coffee, maybe. RM Mana Lagi. Oh, this is a restaurant. Oh, right. Mana Lagi restaurant. Okay, I know this restaurant. RM, Rumah Makan. Hello. So this is a fairly big place in the city, restaurant, right? Don't look like they're open now. And next to it is a shop selling fashion stuff. Okay. Looks like they're having maybe a wedding ceremony back there. Okay, let's continue onwards. Pagi. Okay, and new street. Okay, now this is a bigger street, Jalan Teleng, and we want to go past here. Okay, this is another big road here, and it's street, and it's divided. It's got the dividers, right? And so 4 lanes, and this is Jalan Ketika, and we're gonna cross and go on. There is a huge church. That's a Catholic church. Wow. I have not seen that church before. Well, not that big. I'm never on Jalan Ketika because, well, there's no reason for me to. And now this is more backstreet stuff. And this looks like, what is this? Huh. I don't know. Is this a Pohlmann? Okay, so let's carry on. Very, very quiet street. Siang, Pak. Morning. Okay. And so, what do we have here? Not any street art, but a lot of tags. Canteen Smuck. Canteen Smuck. Okay, what do we got here? I have Jalan Teleng. Oh, there's a nice little house. Okay, so we could go up there, or down there, or over here. I hear music over that way, so let's explore the music. Let's see where the music is coming from. So you see, when we're on the other side, on the south side of Jalan Yani, right? Jalan Yani is one of the biggest streets in Singaraja, one of the main streets, not biggest, but main streets. Okay, the music is just a canteen. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so once you get south of Jalan Yani, and in this area where I am now, pagi, jalan-jalan. Yeah, coffee. Okay, this is Jalan Tanjung, and well, not much here, and pretty quiet. What is this? Thinik Pratama. What do they do here? You know, you never know what's going on in your city if you don't walk around. So once you get south of Jalan Yani, right, the main road that goes down to the east and west, once you get south of that, what you get, more upscale housing. You got government employees living up here, and a lot of professionals. Okay, what do we have? More government buildings. And, well, it continues to go on and on and on. So, I am on Jalan Teleng. And, well, things just go all over. Where do I want to go? Let's go straight ahead and see what that is. And what is this? I don't know what that is. Siang, Pak. Okay, and here's a Pohlmann Matematika Bahasa English. It is a private school, what they call academies. My Korean friends call them academies. I don't know why they don't use the Korean word for it, but they don't. And what's this? Some kind of cafe here. What does this say? The Dari Cafe. Huh. Okay. The Dari Cafe? What is the Dari Cafe? Let's take a look. Oh, they have Guinness. Oh, they're okay. Okay. No wonder it's set in the back there. Leave that discussion for another video. And so here we are. This is Jalan Teleng, and this is where we're going to stop for today. Next video, we'll pick up and you're going to walk up Jalan Teleng, go north on Jalan Teleng until we get to Yani, and then down Yani and look at some of the shops there. And that's it. Thanks for viewing.